Everybody, in this tutorial I will present you above design patterns, and we will start with the first design patterns, Singleton. Uh, so for what is used these design patterns? It's used by preventing the class from being instantiated by the outside world. Uh, for example, it will be instantiated from within itself, with global access provided to the instance. And we will see this how it is realized. In Java we have the private constructor, but here in above we can just we need to define private or protected instantiation access to the class here, and then we need to make a static private attribute that has the type of the class, and then when we go to the methods we need to create a static method public, and these static methods check if we have an instance. If we don't have, we create the object, else if we have it, we return the single instance. And this is a class about the data model class, because in some application it's good to have just one instance per application. From example, for this data model class, which is a layer between the database and the application, we just to have just one instance, and then we use these methods to have access to the database. From example, here in the application, also here it is a singleton model, because if we use the main program is initial, then we need to create the object just one time. But also here we can see that we instantiate our model class, and then we have this object, and we can play with some methods that communicate to the database. Okay, so thank you very much. So this was the first design patterns. It's very used, Singleton, and we will come also with other design patterns. Thank you very much. Bye.